Today we are at 268 St. Patrick Avenue. We're standing in front of the front door. As we walk into the living room, you can see we have a nice extended area for a sitting room. So we're facing the front of the house. If we go towards the right, we'll come to the dining room and kitchen. You can see our door to our carport. And here is our dining room. And then here is our kitchen. We have access to our backyard and patio. Now, if we go back towards the other side of the house, we'll go to the bedrooms and the bathroom. So we have this short hallway here. Nice storage closet on the left. And here is our bathroom. This is the full bathroom of the house. Nice, good size. Coming back out. Here's the first of the bedrooms. This faces the back side of the house. Now on the other side of the hallway, here's the second bedroom. This faces the front of the house. Now we'll go to the last of the bedrooms, also facing the front of the house. All have very good closet sizes. We'll go back out to the living room now. Again, this is 268 St. Patrick Avenue, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.